You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to lock your Chrome Incognito tabs on Android to require biometric authentication. First, ensure your phone has a screen lock like a pin, pattern, or fingerprint set up. Open the Chrome app and tap the three-dot menu. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Look for the option Lock Incognito. Tabs. When you close Chrome, turn this toggle on. Now, when you close the Chrome app entirely or switch to a different app, your incognito tabs will be locked. To reopen them, you must reopen Chrome, tap the tab switcher icon, and select the incognito tab group. You will then be prompted to verify your identity with your fingerprint. Face scan or screen lock. This feature does not lock tabs while Chrome is still open in the foreground. It only activates when the app is fully closed or sent to the background. For maximum privacy, always close Chrome when you're done browsing. If you don't see this setting, update your Chrome app to the latest version. This is a simple but powerful way to add an extra layer of privacy to your sensitive browsing sessions. For more simple Chrome privacy tutorials, subscribe to the channel.